Hey everybody, it's Christina. I'm the mobile home mama standing outside of a home, and I've got a secret for you. This home is going to be on the March clearance page. If you don't know where to find that, it's www.factorydirectmobilehomes with an S.com. There you're going to find some great deals. Every month I choose 8 floor plans. No rhyme or reason to it. I just choose 8 that I think people would enjoy and maybe that they would like to build. Okay, we've got an upgraded Brunswick on the outside. Look what we did here. We popped this baby out. This is called a bump out, and this is going to be in bedroom number 3. We'll see it when we go on the inside. And let's look and see what this customer did. Boom, OSB, yeah, ding, ding, ding. Great job, customer. And then let's take a look. We did some black shutters. That looks very nice with this color. This color will trick you, okay? Today it's a gloomy day, and when you look at it, it looks black, right? But when you come and see me when the sun is shining, then it's gonna be a navy blue. So kind of like you see pearl in the cars, we can do the same thing with vinyl siding, okay? This home is called the Ross, and 16 by 68, 3 bedroom, 2 bath. I just took you up the stairs with me. Sorry about that. Usually I pause it. Okay, walking in wide open to the living room. So here we go. But we're gonna have a little bit of separation with this wall right here when we're going into the kitchen. The showstopper of this home, absolutely hands down, is gonna be this included hutch. So much storage in the top and the bottom. By the way, this is an urban oak wrapped cabinet. How do you know that? There's no puzzle pieces. It's just a smooth surface there. Roca Bosco on the top, laminate backsplash. Make sure you put something there, folks, because you want to protect your wall from any water splashing. Now, we've seen a lot of accent walls in cool cedar, but this is a different one. This one is going to come in about the same color as the cabinets. Let me know if you're interested in that, and we can get it done for you. By the way, if you look on a floor plan, anywhere where you see little tiny X's on the floor plan, that's where you can put an accent wall. All right, a galley type kitchen, meaning that it's right up against the wall. But this baby has something that a lot of single wides don't. And it's a dining room. Oh, I just ran right into the wall. Wow, it's been a long day. And then it's gonna come with this 30 by 36 window. So as you can see here, these are standard windows. This home has lots of natural light. We're just gonna pray that when we go back down the hallway, this customer put a window in there. Because if there is, then they did a good job. You wanna have the natural light in. You can always cover up the windows. We do offer a washer and dryer by Whirlpool. You can pick that up and have that in the home when the home is delivered. And then also you can do a wire shelf or cabinets up there if you choose. So coming in the back door of this home, actually, this has a reverse aisle. So this door and the main door are on the same side. That's always an option, and a no charge option as well. As far as appliances go, we've got a microwave over the range, a gas stove, and from what I understand, folks, for a limited time, if you come and purchase a home now and you want a gas stove, we're gonna throw it in. So come and see me. Dishwasher, 20.5 with an ice maker installed. So lots of good stuff going on. We want your business. We want you to build champion homes. We want to see them everywhere. Continued on with the accent wall here. Nice size primary bedroom. And then we have a walk-in closet here. You're going to have your hot water heater back there. And something about those hot water heaters, everybody asks me, can I get on demand? Not yet. We're not really ready for that yet. But one of the reasons why, this guy told me today, I don't know if it's true, but you need a 400 amp electrical service if you're not going to do any gas. So I don't know, just something I learned today I wanted to share with you guys. Here we go with a primary bath coming right off of the primary bedroom. Yay, we have seen the light. And then it's Saturday and I am spent. Okay, it's been a long day. Smaller single vanity here, and then a mobile home mama up there. Hi, everybody. Coming around, let's see what we got. Tub shower combination. Ooh, you can add a shower curtain rod if you like. And now let's take a trip to the other end of the home. Okay, I'm peeking around the corner. Yes, we have a window. Here's bedroom number 2. And the closet of bedroom number 2. Okay. Yes. Bedroom number 3. And look what happens when you bump this out. You got an extra large windowsill for your booty. There you go. Closet of bedroom number 3. Or for the cats. Cats probably love that too. And then finally, bath number 2. This home is called the Ross. Don't forget to check the website because this baby is going on clearance. And we're ready to start this season. We really want to get rocking and rolling. So give me a call, shoot me a text, make an appointment, get your financing. I'll help you with all those things. And I really am excited to see you. As always, thanks for watching.